What's up, folks? Welcome back to a video on the BlackHatGamingg channel. It's a very nice day out here today. So this video, bit weird I'm doing. It's a bit weird I'm doing this publicly out here, but oh well, there's nothing we can do about it at the moment for me. So hopefully you can hear me alright from here. This is a bit of a special video, very special video for me. I've been waiting a little while for this to happen. Now, if you guys remember back on my main channel, you may remember an upload I did a couple of years ago where I revealed my first car. It's the 2004 Holden Commodore station wagon. At the time of recording this, I've owned it for 2 years, and it's been working like a treat. Been doing some awesome journeys with it. But it's now about time that it's time to move on. And as you can see, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm about to reveal my second car. I've been saving up for a little while for this to happen, with the help of my parents and with the help of my grandparents as well. I'm going to go ahead. Oh my god, I'm excited for this. I'm going to showcase my new second car. Here it is. As long as it's Alright, well, here's my new second car. This is a 2009 Holden Commodore sedan this time, instead of a station wagon, because I feel like the sedan's a bit more appropriate. And plus I haven't really used much space in this station wagon anyway. So here's my second car. I am pretty damn proud of myself for this. Hopefully you guys can hear me alright. But yeah, I've owned this for like nearly a day now. And I'm quite loving it so far. So this car has done, well, this particular one I've got has done just over 186,000 kilometers on it, which is pretty low given how old the car is. It is pretty clean. I don't know what customization I'll do to it at the moment. But there we go. Here's my second car. So what I'm going to do now is, hopefully, if the GoPro captures it, I'm going to do a bit of a point of view drive around in it, so you guys can give an idea as to what it's like. And yeah, we're going to go from there. And of course, I forgot to mention at the start of this clip, very sorry if the area is not the best. I have to try and find somewhere that's decently quiet. And of course, sorry if the camera angle is not the best either. Had to go with what we got. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the GoPro, and we're going to go from there. Alright, so here we are. Hopefully the GoPro captures the angle alright. As you see, we are in the industrial area. This wasn't going to be my original idea for filming the obviously the showcase of the car. I was originally going to go and film it near the beach, but it was also near a main road. It was too noisy. So I'll have to work with what we got, and yeah, I ended up coming here. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an idea as to how it drives and how it goes. Alright. As you can see, the aircon's on. Of course, the dash cam's recording there too. Alright, here we go. Let's went. Hopefully the angle is alright. I haven't really done this angle type of point of view angle of me driving around before, so hopefully it should be okay. I probably should have previewed it before we even went, but oh well, it's not gonna matter too much. Alright, so here's the interior, by the way, folks. Now, I did forget to mention, this is the Holden Commodore Omega, which the Omega is one of the trim levels for this VE Commodore. There are several other trim levels. There's obviously the Omega, which is this is one I've got. There's the SS, SV6, and the Berliner and the Calais. Those two are like the top, like the top two like luxury trims. But personally for me, I like the Omega better. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, as you see, it drives really well. Definitely better than what it was back in the back in my old car. So yeah, it drives really well. I was pretty excited for a Commodore, but you know, it's nice, bit of a nice upgrade from the 2004 one. That was in the original Aussie. This is gonna be the new Aussie in terms of the name. I can't be bothered really changing the name, because obviously being the first Commodore, it's Australian, born and bred. I may as well just keep up the tradition. You can go and debate me whatever you want in the comments. So yeah, this is the new Aussie, folks. But yeah, it's quite nice in here. The day I'm recording this is a Friday, well, the 11th of March, and I got the car yesterday. Would have been Thursday, 10th of March. Yeah, I quite like it. I can't wait to see what we can do to this. Like I said, I don't know what I don't know what we do to it when it comes to like maybe like the head unit or whatever. Since, well, I just got the car. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much to it at the moment. So for now, it's just gonna be how it is. But hope you guys enjoying this little mini point of view. Honestly, I don't know what else to say. But I'm pretty proud of what I've achieved so far. While I was actually looking around for the second car, I've been trying to think as to like which one I want to go for. My obvious choice would have been a Commodore, like a newer one. But I've been looking around also for other ones, like I saw the other guys was like Holden Astras and all that sort of stuff. But obviously a Holden Astra, given in fact how tall I am, it's probably wouldn't be the best choice. But I ended up coming across this, and I got it for a pretty good deal. I'll just say, like, I'm not going to say the like the actual like specific amount of money I paid for it. But I'm just going to say that this costed over $5 grand. That's all I'm going to say about it. But for the price I paid for this, I am quite proud of myself for how far I've come. I can't wait to see what we can do. Can't wait to go on plenty of journeys as well. But yeah, like I said, I don't have much else to say really. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this car showcase. I was very excited to showcase this off. I wanted to wait until this moment, well, the day after I got the car, to showcase it off. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did enjoy it. If you guys want to see more vlogs and other pieces of non-gaming content like this in the future, make sure to subscribe. That'd be much appreciated. And also turn on channel notifications so you don't miss out on new pieces of content like this in the future. Hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, I shall see you guys. I might as well leave a bit of B-roll going on. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I shall see you guys in the next video on the BlackHatVlogs channel. Peace out, folks.